Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman with Trading Advantage with your morning market stir for Friday, October 18th. Surprise, surprise, maybe not for some, but the market made new highs once again. The E-mini S&P was up 0.7%, 1728, up 14.5. New highs made yesterday, 1728 and 3/4. Dow was pressured by IBM and some other earnings coming out in that complex. Actually was negative most of the day. Dow futures ended up finishing up 37 at 15,296 in that market. NASDAQ, new decade plus highs once again, 3301, up 37 points yesterday. Big mover was the dollar index. Dollar index got hit hard, down 85 points at 79.72 after that push below 80 once again. That pushes the euro currency higher, above 136, 136.79, up 144 for the highest point in the euro currency since last November. Looking at bonds, bonds jumped 106, 134.05 was the high in the bond market. Crude oil still cannot find a base here. Made some new relative lows at 100 and then 21 cents, closed at 100 and then 87 cents in that market, down $1.62 on the session. Big benefactor of the dollar sell-off yesterday was gold. Gold closed at $13.23, up $41 on the session, and back above that 1300 pivot that we keep talking about on a weekly basis in gold to hold this trend. So after the big rally yesterday, where did the market stand on this Friday morning? Again, expiration in the stock indexes, in the stock options anyways. Where do they stand here on this Friday morning? Well, right now we're plus one. We're plus one in the E-mini S&P at 1729. Technically, the next target on the upside, from a technical standpoint, let me stress that, is an 87-point jump from that peak. Add that on because that was the last low at 1640. That targets 1814 in the S&P from a technical standpoint. Looking at the Dow's up 12 at 15,308. The Dow is still significantly off the September 19th highs at 15,658, so needs about 350 points to play catch up and make new highs in the Dow futures. We have the NASDAQ up 12 right now at 3313. As I was starting to say, Google is the news there. Google had some blowout earnings and is approaching $1,000 per share in the Google. 3313 up 12 is what we see in the NASDAQ. Dollar index continues to go lower, 79.57 down 15. The euro currency is 136.98 up 19. Bonds are up another 20 ticks, 134.24. And crude holding steady, 101.30 plus 43 cents. And after the big move, gold's still above the $1,300 level, 1319, down 4 is where it stands. So to wrap up the current action with 2 hours to go before the cash stock market open, again, it's option expiration. It's the end of the week, and we made new all-time highs in the S&P yesterday, so we'll have to see what happens today. But right now, as we stand, we're positive, up 1 point at 1729 in the S&P futures and up 12 in the Dow futures. I will see you early Monday morning for the morning market stir to set up your trading day. Alan Nuckman from Trading Advantage here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.